Hello folks, I'm Dr. Omkar Sangita Dilip Rao Sonone from AFMG, and today I'm here just to share your anxiousness, your nervousness, your enthusiasm and your anxiety about the exam. ठीक है? I know I have went through the same feeling almost 2 years ago, okay? And definitely at this point of time when only 9 days are left for the upcoming FMG June 2022 session, all of you might be nervous, all of you might be anxious about the exam. पेपर कैसा होगा, कैसा जाएगा एग्जाम, ऑल ऑफ दैट, पास होंगे या नहीं. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज थॉट्स विल कीप वॉन्डरिंग इन योर ब्रेन, इन योर माइंड समवेयर और द अदर. ठीक है? एंड दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. एवरीबडी इज गोइंग थ्रू द सेम थॉट्स नाउ. I am here just to share that an important thing that we wish to be a part of your preparations, as we have always been throughout your journey of the last 4 to 5 months. We were there with you, and now also I have come here to tell you that we are there with you till the last day of your exam. Don't worry about that. ठीक है? So everyone will pass. Definitely you deserve to pass. Okay? So every bit of success is yours now because you have been working really hard for the last 4 to 5 months and no one can snatch it from you now. ठीक है? So just believe that कि it will all be in your favor. ठीक है? The exam day, these 7 days, all are in your hands and you will work hard for that. ठीक है? Now the first thing I want to highlight is now the last 9 days which are left. So divide it in the last 1 week, that is 7 days, and the last 2 days before your exam. ठीक है? So the last 7 days, the next 7 days now, please focus on those subjects which you are really good at. Okay? Don't touch that subject which you have not touched in the last almost 4 to 5 months. जो subject कभी पढ़ा ही नहीं या बस classes attend करी है and you have not revised it at any point of time, maybe biochemistry, physiology, any of that subject, if you have not revised it, if you have not touched the notes even, don't dare to pick it up now. ठीक है? This is not the time to just pick that subject up कि यार ये anxiety दे रहा है. ठीक है? जो हुआ सो हुआ. What is in your hands now is actually to focus on your stronger points now. ठीक है? So these last 7 days that we have, the next 7 days that we have in hand, focus on all the high yield points from the all important subjects. Important thing is to stretch your limits now. Okay? All that dhilapan and all of that, whatever it was, that has gone. Whatever you have made mistakes throughout your preparations, होता है. Some days are more productive, some days are less productive, and that's fine. ठीक है? But the next 7 days, there should not be any excuse. ठीक है? So you should stretch your limits. Just you need to don't please compromise on your sleep or meals. ठीक है ना? You don't need to compromise on your sleep and meals. Minimum 6 hours of sleep is maximum. एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट, बहुत सारे लोग एक क्वेश्चन बहुत बार पूछते हैं कि सर व्हाट अबाउट द स्लीप स्केड्यूल. बिकॉज प्लीज लेट मी शेयर इट फ्रॉम माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस कि yes, sleep schedule is the most important one. I am also a night person. I am more productive at night time while doing subjects or revising subjects, but the exam would be at daytime, and that you need to remember properly, right? So try to change your schedule. If you're a night person, if you are sleeping at almost 4 in the morning, try to sleep 1 hour earlier every day. ठीक है? That will definitely help you. Maximum you need to go to sleep by 12 or 12:30. Okay, that's the maximum time you can be awake. After 12:30 you should not be awake. Okay, that's most important because this is not a one day thing कि यार मैं last day तक almost 4 बजे तक पढ़ूंगा and then I'll go to sleep almost at 12 on the exam, before the exam day. That is not going to happen. It is a gradual process to change your sleep cycle or sleep schedule. So please remember, if you do not get good sleep, definitely your brain or mind is not in a state to work properly. It will not help you retain things अगर तुम revise कर रहे हो, and it will not help you recall things if you are solving MCQs. ठीक है? So दोनों चीज will be affected. So it's important to sleep earlier and be awake at the exam time. You should be active at that exam time, 9 to 11:30 and 2 to 4:30. These are the 2 most important things that you need to remember now onwards. And इस time में MCQ solve करना थोड़ा बहुत शुरू करो. I'll come to that MCQ part. Now I'm focusing on the next 7 days. So as I told you, these 9 days that you have left in hand, please try to work on your sleep schedule first thing. Second, as I've told you, important subjects के important और high yield points revise करना है, right? So the important subjects, the 4 most important subjects, the major ones, that is OBG, surgery, medicine and PSM, right? मेडिसिन अगर नहीं की है तो नो वरीज, डोंट टच इट नाउ. ठीक है? अगर मेडिसिन कर ली है तो एटलीस्ट ट्राई टू रीच आउट टू द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स, जैसे कि कार्डियो हो गया, पल्मो हो गया, यू नो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स इज इंपॉर्टेंट, एबीजी इज इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है? एवरी अदर एग्जाम देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन. फियोक्रोमोसाइटोमा इज इंपॉर्टेंट, कुशिंग्स इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो ऐसे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स पे एटलीस्ट ट्राई टू फोकस मोर ऑन देम. ठीक है? इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. Then next, definitely ENT and Opthal. it cannot be an excuse to skip ENT and Opthal at this point. अगर नहीं किया तो बात अलग है, but if you have done them earlier, please do revise them as well. पेपर 1 is important guys. Please remember पेपर 1 से बहुत मिस्टेक्स हो जाती है. So from पेपर 1 try to revise pharma and microbiome and pathology as well. ठीक है, फार्मा माइक्रोबायो पैथो इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है, इतना मस्ट टू डू है. ठीक है, इसके अलावा द लास्ट 1 to 2 days दैट यू हैव इन हैंड, जो मैंने बोला द फर्स्ट 7 days दीज इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट्स. इसके अलावा यू कैन एक्सटेंड योर लिमिट्स इफ यू कैन जस्ट रिवाइज ऑल द अदर सब्जेक्ट्स टू ग्रेट. अगर नहीं कर सकते तो एटलीस्ट दीज आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वंस. द लास्ट 2 days दैट यू हैव हैंड, उसमें क्या करना है, इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स यू नीड टू डू. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गो थ्रू ऑल द प्रीवियस TNDs. ओके, जितने भी टेस्ट एंड डिस्कशंस हुए, जस्ट गो थ्रू ऑल दोस क्वेश्चंस एंड एक्सप्लेनेशंस दैट यू हैव अटेम्प्टेड. सो एटलीस्ट यू विल बी इन अ स्टेट की जहां वहां पे यू हैव रिवाइज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम most of the subjects. ठीक है, so first thing. Second, revise the important PSM data and all. Apart from that, also try to revise the important images. Images, if you are able to do in these 7 days along with the subjects, very good. If you are not able, as I've always told you, images and one-liners का एक set बना लो. In morning, half hour one-liners, half hour images. At night, while you are going to sleep, half hour images, half hour one-liners. ठीक है. So because don't spend much time on one-liners, but also don't just estimate कि one-liners बिल्कुल ही नहीं आएंगे. ठीक है. So in December exam you saw some one-liners. One-liners are still there. Okay, definitely they are more clinically oriented or clinically related, but one-liners can be a part of the exam. Then don't just deny it. Images last time कम आए थे December में. That does not totally mean that they have not worked on the images. In NEET PG recently we had substantial amount of images. Not very much, but not very less as well. ठीक है. So substantial amount of images have also come. So don't just rule it out किसी के और कहने पे कि यार नहीं आते. Okay, so important in the last 2 days, as I've told you, go through all your test and discussions. Important. Second, glance all through all the images. Important. अगर सब subjects के images नहीं देख सकते हो, then which are the most important subjects? So please remember, image based questions usually or image describing questions are from the subjects like surgery, pathology, ENT, ophthalmology, FMT, that is forensic medicine, and last 2 most important, orthopedics, रेडियोलॉजी एंड ऑल्सो डर्मेटोलॉजी. ठीक है, सो दीज आर द 8 सब्जेक्ट्स जिसमें से इमेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा रहती है. PSM इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ देम, but at least these are the 8 most important ones. ठीक है, so FMT you will get images for sure. There are less number of images, you can revise them easily. Radio, orthopedics, most of the times image based questions would be there, right? Dermatology also. So try to revise these images in the last 2 days that you have in hand. Now coming to an important point, that is grand test. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं सर ग्रैंड टेस्ट मार्क्स मेक्स अस एंशियस एंड दे मेक्स अस लेस कॉन्फिडेंट. सो इफ यू आर नॉट अ पर्सन हु कैन जस्ट take that grand test pressure, then I will say, okay, there's no issue if you are not attempting grand test. At least I would recommend from my side 1 or 2 grand tests, not for the reason to assess yourself. This is not the time to assess yourself. You need to believe that you have prepared well. ठीक है, कुछ भी हुआ, you need to believe that you have prepared well and सब पास हो जाओगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. All of you deserve to pass because you have worked hard. ठीक है, so most important thing, why I would recommend 1 or 2 grand tests maximum, because you need to work on your time management skills, right? Because most of us struggle over there. अगर lengthy paper आ भी जाता है, if you have solved some grand test earlier, and you are in a state that you can attempt all the questions at least. In FMG, as I've always told you, it is more important to attempt all the question, mark anything, but attempt all the 300 questions because there is no negative marking. That is the plus point for FMG, right? So at least तुक्का भी लगाना है, so you need to attempt all the questions. Right, that is most important. Don't leave any question during the exam time. What to be done on exam day? I'll just maybe upload a video or just share with you a day prior to the examination. But now it is more important कि I tell you कि grand test जो दोगे तुम इस last 9 में 1 या 2 maximum, don't make them a habit कि यार उससे तुम्हें negativity आ रही है, उससे तुम्हें और ज्यादा pressure बढ़ रहा है. That is not the actual meaning behind grand test. The main reason behind grand test is usually time management, and the next thing is actually just trying to get maximum number of high yield and highly important questions and topics. ठीक है, so grand test जो दोगे उसको analysis करो, उसका एक बार बस go through that grand test questions whichever you have done mistakes at, that is more important. ठीक है, so उसके लिए होती है not to assess yourself, not to decide whether you will pass or not. Grand test marks will not decide whether you will pass or not the exam. ठीक है, so there is a huge difference. I have seen कि people who are not scoring good in grand test, they have scored more than 200 in examination. ठीक है, So they are not the deciding factors only. ठीक है, your preparation will decide whether you will pass or not. ठीक है, and the last 7 days that you in hand, last 7 days and plus 2 days that you have in hand definitely are going to be the decision maker or the game changer for you. ठीक है, so that's most important. Now as I've told you, revise the high yield points. Try to cover maximum subjects but don't run behind everything. अगर नहीं होता तुमसे, depending on your capacity and the ability, try to make your schedule कि इस last 7 days में what are the subjects that I'll revise. ठीक है, अगर सब नहीं हो सकते हैं, don't run behind everything. उसमें क्या होगा, you will not be able to complete everything and then that will impart other negativity or anxiousness to you. ठीक है, so important is don't try to run behind everything. And everything is good, every institute is good, everyone is uploading the best content, but not everything is for you. Choose whichever suits you. ठीक है, whichever you have followed from the first day till this day, please just go with that. Trust them, whoever you are following. That is more important. Don't change the source at this point of time. And most important, जो high yield points revise करना है ना, those are present in your notes. Every faculty who has given you notes, definitely they have highlighted some important points. When you have read the notes or revised the notes, you have highlighted some of your important points. So अब जो revision करोगे ना, it is not necessary you go through every single line. You just need to glance through the most important points or topics. ठीक है, that is more important. So वो तुम्हारे notes में already है. Even if I have added something in your notes, as I've always told you, add those points in your notes itself. ठीक है, don't go behind any fancy PDFs at this point of time. Everybody will claim everything. That's their take. ठीक है, it is important to focus on what you have prepared now and what you believe in. ठीक है, that is more important. Don't go behind every PDF. Don't try to reach out and don't try to collect content. ठीक है, कंटेंट बहुत है मार्केट में, एवरीथिंग इज गुड, एवरीथिंग इज बेस्ट. डेफिनेटली ऑल ऑफ देम विल कम डाउन टू द सेम फाइनल टॉपिक्स विच हैव बीन रिपीटेड मल्टीपल टाइम्स. ठीक है, सबको वो टॉपिक्स पता है, इवन यू नो दोस टॉपिक्स, योर फैकल्टी हैव मार्क्ड इट. सो रिवाइज फ्रॉम योर नोट्स, इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. डोंट रन बिहाइंड एवरी फैंसी पीडीएफ. ठीक है, अगर पीडीएफ से ही पढ़ना होता, so definitely all of them would have given you the PDFs. Why actually they have conducted classes, or why we have conducted classes at first place, right? So that is more important. Focus on your notes only. That is more important. ठीक है, PYQ का important सवाल आता है, कितने PYQs कब करने हैं. So now onwards, as I've told you, if you're giving grantors, good enough. If you're not giving, good enough. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. So try to solve the MCQs usually in the exam hours. That is 9 to 12, 11:30 and 2 to 4:30 वाला timing पे, because that will at least orient you that at that time you need to sit for 2.5 hours and solve MCQs. Your mind and brain would be trained in the same manner. That is more important, to just acquaint ourselves to that conditioning or condition ourselves, our brain in that manner. ठीक है, what we actually need on the exam day. So PYQs, if you're solving almost 150 questions every day, the target should be at least 150 now. So if you're solving 150, तो 50 questions should be PYQs if you have not done them earlier. अगर तुमने सब PYQs कर लिए, no worries, just go through them once again. But if you have not done at least 50 PYQs, if you do, I hope so you will be able to cover it in these 9 days. ठीक है, important. कब से करना है? So from August 2020, the pattern of FMG has changed slightly. ठीक है, so minimum you need to do August onwards. That is 4 sessions of FMG August 2020 onwards till December 2021. उसके अलावा NEET PG के 2021 September and NEET PG the recent one. Don't go behind all the videos. ठीक है, टेस्ट एंड जो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस के वीडियोस होते हैं ना, डेफिनेटली दे आर गुड बट नॉट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम बिकॉज दे विल कंज्यूम अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. ठीक है, तो उसमें ऑलमोस्ट एक सब्जेक्ट 1.5-2 घंटे खा जाएगा तुम्हारा. So at least important subjects से देख सकते हो, like medicine वगैरह, where you are not able to get it from the explanation part itself, but the subjects where you can just get the topic from the explanation itself, just go for that. ठीक है, so just go for solving the questions and read the explanations. That's enough, more than enough. ठीक है, because videos are definitely much time consuming at this point of time, and teachers को exam नहीं देना है, they know everything. It's your time to revise now. It's your time to put in all that hard work. उन्होंने कर दिया अपना जो काम करना था. It's your time, right? सो अभी इंपॉर्टेंट है कि तुम रिवाइज करो ज्यादा. हर एक टीचर ने अपना काम कर चुके हैं. नाउ तुम जितना ज्यादा रिविजन को दोगे, तुम जितना ज्यादा अपने फ्लॉज पे काम करोगे, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. ओके, सो दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. इसके अलावा वर्क ऑन योर मिस्टेक्स. जो एमसीक्यूज की बात चल रही थी, तो एमसीक्यूज में इंपॉर्टेंट बात एक है कि डेफिनेटली read the explanations wherever you are going wrong, but also work on that part of MCQs where you are making mistakes repeatedly. That means अगर तुम for example if it is a except वाला question, not true, incorrect, true, false, Okay, so all of these questions or assertions and all of that, those usually don't come in FMG exam as such. Okay, so all of these questions you accept and all of that, try to work on them. If you're making them wrong, try to understand the meaning in your regional language, whichever your regional language is. So though you are a convent educated guy or anything, we are more comfortable in our regional languages, that is more important. So try to understand the meaning of that question in your regional language first, कि यार पूछना क्या चाहते हैं, कि अच्छा if they have given all the statements are true except, that means they need to find the incorrect statement. तो मुझे गलत बात ढूंढनी है डायग्नोसिस या इस पॉइंट के बारे में, राइट? दैट इज द वे टू एक्चुअली गो फॉर दैट एक्सेप्ट वाला क्वेश्चन. And clinical cases, it is important to pick up the keywords. So as I've told you, you need to glance only through the high yield points. So high yield points मतलब क्या? जैसे कि cardiac tamponade पढ़ रहे हो, don't read everything ना, line to line नहीं पढ़ना है. Beck's triad क्या होता है? Important how the patient will present to you. These three things are there, then definitely that is Beck's triad and the diagnosis becomes cardiac tamponade. Likewise, so you need to think in terms of OBG also. If it is a pregnant female coming to me after 28 weeks with painful bleeding, I don't need to think in terms of anything else apart from abruptio. My first differential would be abruptio, right? So likewise, वो तुम्हें click होना चाहिए. So for that, at least know the important points, and that will help you in picking up the keywords in your questions. ठीक है? And I've always told you, अगर कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा, while you are reading a question, take every question as a new one. Okay, don't let the previous one or the next one affect your current question. And important is, while you are solving the question now, try to come down to a subject, then come down to a system, then come down to a topic, and then come down to your particular diagnosis. क्या है क्या नहीं है, ठीक है? तो इतना तो कर सकते हो. So likewise you will be able to rule out one or two options maximum. उसके बाद दो ऑप्शंस डेफिनेटली क्लोज होंगे, बट FMG एग्जाम है, इट इज क्वालिफाइंग एग्जाम ओनली. सो देयर वुड बी अ 50% प्रोबेबिलिटी कि यू विल मार्क इट करेक्ट. ठीक है? सो दैट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर एवरी सिनेरियो इन द एग्जाम. अगर अभी से सोच के बैठते हो कि एग्जाम ईजी आएगा, सब लोग एवरीबडी इज आस्किंग कि कैसा आएगा एग्जाम, कैसा नहीं आएगा, डोंट प्रेडिक्ट द एग्जामिनर. ठीक है? So don't predict the examiner at any cost. Please remember, be prepared for every scenario, even if it is an easy exam or a worst case scenario as well. Important thing is, don't let it affect your preparations at this point of time. अभी revise करने का time है. Just revise it. Don't anticipate everything about the exam and don't just procrastinate. ठीक है? That is more important. Important is, believe in yourself at this point of time, because most of you are losing the faith. Don't lose the faith. Everybody of you have worked hard. Please remember, you deserve every bit of the success and nobody can take it away from you. Okay? And don't decide the fate by yourself कि पास होंगे नहीं होंगे. Leave everything rest. Okay? You just focus on your hard work and leave rest to the destiny or the superpower that you believe in. Okay? Everything would be taken care of. You don't need to worry about anything at this point of time. Right? Just think of your parents, just talk to them, just talk to your friends who will definitely motivate you. If you have any issues, any anxiety issues, you can message me at any point of time on my social media handles or Telegram. Okay? So don't worry about that. Now it's the time for you to put in all that you have these last 7 days. Revise maximum the most important subjects, and the last 2 days images, important data, okay, all the important cancer stagings वगैरह और all the TNDs that you have given earlier. So just glance through those. That's most important. Okay, revise and revise. That's the only key. And solve maximum number of MCQs, minimum 150 every day during the exam time. Okay, so this is the summary that I wanted to convey to you, and that's most important. Thank you so much. Everything will fall in place eventually, and I will be very eager to welcome you on this side of the fence. Okay, so all of us will be waiting for you to applaud you, okay, after the results. So just believe in yourself, guys. Any issue, we are there always to help you. Thank you so much.